Good morning, little believers. Today we will meet Leo. Leo is a kind and curious little boy who loves learning good habits.
Good morning. It is a beautiful day. I am ready for a happy adventure.
Every morning, Leo starts his day by keeping his room neat and tidy.
My room feels happy and fresh.
Leo knows that taking care of his body keeps him healthy and strong.
Clean teeth, a clean face, and a happy smile make a great day. Thank you for my breakfast.
Leo always uses kind words. Saying please and thank you shows respect and love. Leo gets ready for his day by preparing his backpack.
When I am prepared, I can enjoy my day better.
Thank you, Leo. You are very helpful.
You are welcome. Helping others makes me happy.
Even a small act of kindness can make someone's day brighter. Leo knows that good friends share, listen, and use gentle words.
Let's take turns and play together.
Yay! Thank you, Leo! Before bedtime, Leo cleans up his toys and gets ready for tomorrow.
Small good habits make big changes.
Leo looks at a glowing star outside his window. Good night, Leo. Keep being kind and helpful.
I will. Tomorrow will be another wonderful day.
Leo learned that kindness, good habits, and caring for others make every day special. See you in the next adventure.
Be helpful and always believe in yourself.